Yeah, welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Bun is a must. Bun is a must. I tell you, this is a true story based on somebody's story, based on one of the female them story. But I don't want to tell you who is it, but you can maybe know. I wish one of the female them get bun in a real life, but bun is a must. Yeah, bun is a must. I'm going to actually see the name of who we really come off because of them story. Based on a true story. But bun is a must. Bun is a must. Alright, anyway, like, share, subscribe. Remember the previous video when we post, bring it to 100k. If we go to 100k, then December we're giving away $30,000 to $50,000. Remember, only if you go 100k before the month done, 50,000 before Christmas. 50,000 before Christmas. Come on, people, bring it to the earth. Bring it, Mister. Bring it.
Wait, you can't clean up, please.
Where you come from?
Me go look up in now.
Okay. So you go for the look, man.
Man, one coffee, man. I walk me go look. You see your man, Timothy?
Not trust
Me
you.
can't look work.
Not trust you, man. Because until you go for the road, it's a different feeling again.
What you mean by different feeling?
What do you mean? We now get the proper
First
feeling.
you chat when you not get connection, now you chat about different feeling.
We feel like somebody a go there. Every day you come like,
If somebody a come here and feel for me, you not treat me right.
come here. We have a house. You see a house there? You must be mad. You must find camera and put it in every car.
But then here, and I be a thing food you feel me pan. Me can't, I know you can't see you buy one trip when I meet in a fridge for
You know what Britney in Africa would mind get one tin of sardine? And pay leave them and cook.
Me like Whitney, eh? Me a big woman.
Yo, when me look at some people in Africa, them and yam all the leaf, them and cook them and make soup with them, and you there and yam sardine and tin mackerel, you know how expensive it be a shop.
You know what I'm
to want tin of sardine
You know
a
what
shop.
I'm saying? That's why I go look work.
Sardine price and chicken price are the same price. We tell you that. $300 for one tin of sardine in a shop.
I
How much
didn't
you-
tell you to buy one bully beef. What you say to me? Almost $1,000 for bully beef. You can't buy that.
What-
Better me
what?
go buy cheap one of meat or 2 pound of meat.
Exactly. 3 pound of meat is better than a bully beef.
You me tell you in life, yeah, man.
Eh? One tin of bully beef and I like say one whole cow. When me I do it one tin of bully beef, you almost $1,000. Eh? And you cook one time it done. Buy 3 pound of meat, you cook half pound today, half pound the next day, half pound the next day, half pound the next day, we serve it long.
You need to step up your game, man. Else me I go leave. Remember I'm tell you. You come and chat about me gonna road, gonna look, man. When I work, me gonna look. So me can buy something to put in my house.
Oh.
You don't think about that, you know?
Oh, you look working at the mini blows.
I'm
And the boss.
look.
Oh, the boss, you try to impress. You try to tell himself if me get the work, you can't look at my neighbor every day. And you can't look at me titty them turn up. Eh? And that's what I try to say. And that's what I try to say.
Oh, so you know want me look good? You want me to wear so long frock like some your nanny? Eh?
When you go out by yourself, you wear some granny frock. When me you go out, you can dress hot. So when time me dey on the road and a man say, hey, me say, put it back down there, so boy. You know, see him man turn up yourself. You don't wear nothing explosive when me not there around. You don't do it. Sometimes you see them girls they wear some little tight and a hard up. They shut their little pum pum. Sometimes nothing no good down there, you know, good. Sometimes they walk with their heads. Sometimes they walk with their gun around. Big old matic for shoot, man. Some of them will pull up because they want man to say, ooh, what a... No, me not that. No,
oh, say ever see me I walk around and pull up my front? Eh? I show up my front.
I don't know if you do that. I don't know if you do that.
Where's me wear? It's me I wear one nice little shorts. Wait.
No,
Don't play with me, you know.
When you look work, you don't look work.
You want to say me I wear? Eh?
I never say that. Don't put the words in my mouth. And you are say it. You are say it. Because me, alright, yeah man, I'm going to look for work. You think that me, I go so? I'm going to look work?
Yeah, you're gay. You're fish.
So that means I look, you're looking boss. See it? Right.
Oh, so you're going to dress up in a belly skin. That means say you are the boss.
No, me I try to show you. Me I try to make an example.
No, that is not example. Like you have it in your mind long time to wear belly skin.
The last girl, me see go look bar work a belly inget. Belly inget. You hear me? I tell you? So you see, if you are going to run them through there, you see? You know, me I come up on the road, right? Okay, see you? Me don't want to kill you.
Go on, man, because I left your friend there, they will clean up your place. I mean, I left to come back to do it.
We have to follow back on me, so you have to follow me good on my work too.
So if you follow you come to work, you know, say you up to something.
Up to what me feel up to work, me I go, you can't just trust me to left here and go work and
So
come back.
what if me follow you go to work for one day? You up to something, you know? Me come down to the bar, you know? Me
Me
come
don't
down to
want
the bar.
you down there, man. Everything you tell us to follow back
You
on
up to
me.
something,
Me
man?
no, me not up to nothing.
Me not
Me
to trust you.
want privacy when they down there, man, them not going to buy from me because them are going to say, my boyfriend their place.
You mad or them want to see me, man? And if they know, they can't say nothing about that. Or that may make you know.
Me no want you come back on me. Me no want you
Sick,
come
man.
back on me.
You can't take me from
Me
come.
don't want you come back on me. Me want to go work and have the
Today,
place.
me, I can find out.
I want
how
if
they
you
go
see
on
one
over
man
there.
down there talk to me now, what you gonna say?
Dirt!
I'm the job.
And I say nothing.
I'm the job. We can't do that.
Dirt!
I'm the job. We can't do that. The people come by the little liquor
So
and
your
go
job
them
will make me
business.
look like a clown on the
So
street.
what you do down there?
Some boys see me on the street and laugh and say, see bartender, man, they rare.
If you know say you couldn't manage a bar, girl, you shouldn't take up one.
I shouldn't take up one.
Man, me no hear nothing, yeah, man.
Yo, listen to me, man. May I talk to you? Come on.
Somebody video me over. You know you follow back on me for. What happened to you now?
Bad babes.
Eh,
My same belly pain me I tell you about from one night.
what are you the bathroom?
Babes, go on already. May I go?
Thank God.
Pick up my hand.
Go on. Yeah, go on.
May I go use the bathroom?
What do the person?
Ready? How long may I call you?
Me not here. If you say I'm mad when I run me down.
Yeah, one day if I got that one time I come up here, come here one day if I dumb or something. Look how long may I call you?
Oh, your problem. Me run me down for.
You just look bright and Shirley, you know? Where you come from?
Up the road there, so.
You new down here?
Mm-hmm.
Why? Nice door. Honestly.
Sorry that attack me for.
Huh? I'm trying to tell you something like you, man. I want to get to know you.
No, you did don't get started up at the woman. A cuss
Woman,
with woman.
a people property that man. Some of us put her in her place and make sure know say what is what and level is up and level is down. You see pray.
So you do. You're there with people property.
No man. Oh somebody if you deal with somebody property. That can't work. And I just hurt.
So what's your problem now?
I want to get to know you.
Look here, I'm not talk to strangers now.
I talk to strangers.
Mm-hmm.
You look like strangers to you.
Of course. Me know you.
Some would know a place if me a stranger.
You can go
And how
here.
would I know see you new? Like all plastic they on you same way. Can't get to know you.
Well, you can't take my number and me talk.
Make sure you know. Like you grown me in a car. Sometime. My number
278
278
4280.
4280.
Mm-hmm.
What's your name?
Tiana me name.
Tiana.
Mm-hmm.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure send her number again.
You know, it's so
What's your
nothing
name?
now.
Now play a certain game. Alright. In call.
You should even give me number because you don't just a cuss with woman.
1 minute. No, I'm not cuss with girl picnic. I don't do that. A people property. I'm not to talk with people property too long on the street. You see me? You see, Chum is a really out. I mean, he's a gangster. I have to teach him right swag about the street. You see me?
Well,
That is it.
Call me
Alright.
later.
Make sure the right number you give me to you know.
Of course.
Big up yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Take care of yourself here.
Hello, you're running up on computer. So you really not cook today?
Cook what? Me not cook it. Come on, man. Relax yourself, man. I'm tired, man. I'm tired.
Oh, so if you cook 2 days, something wrong with that? Me want cook every day?
No, listen, man. Sometimes that's why man not cook nothing down, man. Because once man cook one time, one man cook all 100 times. I don't like that. What about you? What
Me
about
sure
you?
know that since me live here with you more than 100 times, me cooking a house, you know. So nothing wrong if you cook 2 days.
More than how much? 100 times? No, man. You yourself, man. What you do, man? Can't do that to me.
Me need to get up and go cook something for me eat. Me not busy if you know want to prepare something for you, but me know say me hungry.
Listen me, man. I'm tired. I do enough work last night. I can't take no more pressure for me.
So oh, you really not cook nothing? Eh? You really not cook?
I'm tired, man.
Either you go buy something for me or you go cook right now. Me serious.
I know, man. I'm going to do. You know,
Oh, you not go buy nothing? Alright, you know what? Before me I mash up a computer and get mad in there, you take a walk. Where you pay me for?
Alright, go on. Go on, take a walk. Watch ya. A good news or bad news?
Well, you could have said both. Which one do you want to hear first?
Well, we just come from over here, man. Too much problem over there, man. Can't manage the stress.
Oh, God, the and brownie now. What happened?
Yo, what you want to talk about anyway?
No, man, they can't talk, man. But you talk to areas to pressure off of you, man. They can't talk to me.
No, me talk about different business, I know.
I'm too.
What fear, man?
Well, you know what I'm saying, cut.
I'm not.
Yeah, man, you know what I'm saying, cheat and it was, I'm telling you, say you not go work, so you just cut.
Not even try to fight feet.
But tell you the fight, but no matter how much chance I give them, the money are wicked. I see it on them. The money are terrible bad, man.
Well, all the thing though in life, we can understand. You see, sometimes we take up some woman, or sometimes woman can take up some man. The thing is, we are trying to tell you. It's when you take up a man, you must seek out him background first. You don't jump and write your application. So,
Let me tell you this, I just say for them background, when they come, they're going to be nice, you have to get in their details, you know, you start showing some bad faith, they start doing some things so they never did. You see, man, when they with a woman now, for 3 weeks or 1 month, they be so nice. You see, after 2 months, you show they look a dirty color, as my them nasty, they don't do nothing.
so you know, if you say the woman, then I see him.
Come on, to watch the damn yes.
Oh, God.
I was
Well, she was, yes, me not tell no lie, but no one then he wants to me say fi cook. And look at me, big man, I
Joe
tell me
can't
to
give
cook.
me.
Big man like a
A young
me.
girl, you want to say so, a young girl, I get to.
Well, yeah, we are one, but I read the whole man, you know, because you see, whole man and the whole man, we make sure we eat.
Exactly, and get right food to eat.
Right.
And I go stress you and
But
get
on a
out.
young girl, I only care about her on
Hey,
nails.
no, only young girl. When you talk, you be specific. You see me
Me-
banning you listen?
Me sure no, you know, Rasta do.
I be doing one here.
How I buy? No money. No money buy.
But then work, once I work, I maintain myself, and I can find out boy.
Anyway. I'm not that bad man. I'm glad to see you still. I'm in a two go around you, but me want you to watch me woman too.
How much you pay? Me like money, you know. Me like this.
So me have to pay you to watch.
Oh, so you me say work, me a work, you know. You want me to stop work and find time for your woman. You have to talk with this baby love. No? Me like this. This is my language.
Yeah. No pay you. We talk to you in a meantime. You call you back and tell you we never pay you. No problem.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So babes,
Hmm?
imagine to God's sake, you're cooking food. So what for me then? I say you're bright, you come run and cook food, I ain't a shirt not to come give me. I'm running and work from morning. You're right to choke you.
Alright. You got 2 foot, that's all. I got 2 hands. Me cook. Which are you should have cook? No man, no a woman a yard and a cook. In the Bible say woman shall take care of them man. Me not supposed to take care of you. Me no woman. Look on the bed. You don't take up the clothes.
Let's me do. No let's me for the clothes them right so.
No?
I wash what time this morning me get up 5 o'clock me get up and wash. See it now after 2. Clothes then dry and fold them up. So you talk about see place the wipe out from man and place the tell from man that hit me I go do next.
Mm-hmm.
And just one day you cook little food through me at work and me could get to cook. And I feel your clothes, most of them are clothes you have for your clothes.
I'm not cooking at all.
So babes, every time when I'm cooking at this house, no me share it all food. Eh? And when a little friend them come and do and me share for them food too and give them it.
That's our next thing. You see when time me have my food them here, do not cook it in nobody. No cooking in nobody. Cook 1.5 cup of rice me and you. You mad?
Oh. So if you have your friend them over here, every day sit down in your doorway like say them a dog, I beg for your throat piece of bone give them. Me no must have cook round there.
So
Me have to give them it.
my teacher style. If a dumpling you cook, turn on the stove like a steam, like a rice you steam. And if a rice you cook, no put it on it. You see the meat, if you meat up on the fire when they're there, you throw water, you continue to throw water on it, continue to throw water on it and turn it down. You know, make it cook down. You see me? Me don't like that.
Babes, remember say you tell me, you know. And the day when we cook pot here, and me say, and we there eat, you know, tell me special food go give somebody. Eh? I didn't remember who.
Mm-hmm. So then you're really hungry. That's not here, you know.
So why me go share it? After me tired and I full of clothes, so why me go share food?
Me not trust her, something wrong. Something wrong. Every time you're in bed, me can't find the feelings in there, something wrong.
What kind of feelings? What you talk about? What you talk about?
The connection is like me are 220 and you are 110. And when we join together, it come like it just a spark. So nothing now come and find you.
Bright and feisty. Where you come and talk about? Are you a 110 and me a 220? Me not feel no connection with you. Because as you come, so you go fall asleep.
Me a man. I'm tired. Well,
Tell them I do not work. I will sit down and part up your whole night. Eh? You bright. You see you?
how you feel it?
Man hard to please. Me there walk off myself. Eh? And you lay down on bed well alright and relax.
Say your visa. Say your visa. I thought that time, sir. Alright. You know,
Me buy black stallion gear. Me mix blend up gear. Everything me gear nothing not strong you. You know work. And you come and talk about me and one thing. You're bright and feisty.
alright, you see the black stallion, me dash away. Me never drink it. Cause me not take no stallion. I not take no stallion. I rather go natural. You see natural, if you can get up natural, you have to get up somewhere. So,
Me I'll buy blue pill gear. How
me
you
not
do
take
them?
no Viagra. No. Me too young for that.
So you come and talk about you not feel connection. If you not feel connection, it's your fault.
Yeah, let's go share your food. That's all matters, you know. Cause me not share no food.
I'm gonna soon stop cooking your watch.
Anything you want to do.
Okay.
I'm going to say what I'm going. I'm going to call the phone and I'm going to get you. When you left out, say I got to work for a morning, I call the phone and I'm going to get you. Oh, yeah, move, so.
My phone battery fully dead. See them, check it. Me not check it. If you turn on here, you see all I message them coming in.
Fully dead.
It fully dead. Nobody else can know. Me just come in, man.
So B, you have a charger. One day charger will carry work. You tell me about fully
Who's
dead.
charger? You see me ever take up to see charger there on there in my room. Be there around there. Be nice at it same way.
So I kill up a charger. You have plans. And you know see me have to call her.
Be me not do nothing. Nothing out the road. Me not do nothing what me not supposed to do.
Me did say
Anyways. You know what that tip me make today?
You say?
You know what that tip me make?
Liar.
Yeah. Whole heap of money. I show you. I make this from a man. He come my counter and say, want some drinks to buy and then something there. So I just chat him out and call it 5,000 from him.
One man.
One next.
What can I chat about? Look around here, so I talk to you. What can I chat about you talk about?
A bar me work. What you expect? Me not must talk to them.
Oh. Really? Really talk.
You know that's how you behave when you have your plans them.
What can I
So you
say?
behave. Know yourself. Know yourself. Everything alright. Me I try to talk to you and I tell you everything when me make and sitting and I show you. Me say, the man didn't like me I bar like, but me no nothing with them, you know. But get it twisted, they don't nothing with them. They just like me.
Sure.
They just like me I bar. And this man come then, you know, tap spin. And I say, see there. Today, come on. Make money today.
So how much money that?
I suppose it's 7,000 something.
7,000.
Something.
You make today alone.
The man like me. So me entertain him.
Entertain.
Honest problem, yeah. Man, no.
What can I like?
They're too naggy.
Yo, you know say thing good man.
Use this buy some food to eat later on. Yeah. So I'm gonna cut the corner.
Yo. Man, what? You see same thing me talk about? You see same thing me talk about?
What happened to you,
Me know say I'm gonna go work today too, you know.
Anthony? What your problem?
Me know say I'm gonna go work today too.
Well, man, there, show me him.
Oh, your phone charge up so fast.
I put me just put the phone back charge and turn on me.
Put phone power charge. Me don't see a smile on my face.
So me can't smile. Me can't smile now.
Smile with what?
Imagine.
Smile with what? Eh?
How what you trying to do? What you trying to do? You don't go ease up on me for what that for?
If I get so much money, you do something at work today. No?
What me fit do? I'm a good
on my phone and I know say man here chat to you know.
Where man there?
You know say I'm mash up in here again.
Me fi have one man to true.
I'm mash up. What you say?
Every day
Why
I
sell the coin? Why you sell the coin?
nothing.
You better. Brother,
Yeah.
I tell you this, you me go stop.
That be nice, that man. Tell you come like some big mama, man. Every day you come follow back, man. At nene in my ears. Me not there with nobody else. Me go a road for try to say me can make money for me come back so 2 weeks can have something to eat. You come in my ears well every day. You tell me come on pass it. You did there.
Look on the bed.
What happened to you?
You come in and they on phone. Phone.
Me just come out for work. What you want from me?
And this is me treat you for.
Me come see a little nasty.
No.
And you come in an argument. I want to do something, man.
Let me do work them out of yard.
It don't matter. Clean up your room too.
Watch your raising advice to you know. Watch your raising advice in my place you know. Watch your raising advice in my place. You think me I love you for nothing? You think me I love you for the next man? Eh? You think me I love you for the next man?
Exactly. One different
She
man.
only love me care one way or
And
something.
next man if you have. Because you say bad everything about
Which next
man.
man? Which next man? You're mad. Not for place. You're sick.
Leave me alone, yeah.
Yeah, listen, man.
No,
You know why
you
you have behave
I
certain
don't want
way.
you know, because every day me have man already. I'm not doing nothing.
Cause every minute you just have my brain and feel cheap one way, like say, yo, you do something in a babes.
Like what? We go from work and coming back,
Yeah.
everything what happen me tell about it. What problem?
Hey, listen, man. The ignorance in go nowhere, you know.
And you what problem? Every day you come in and me here just and mail me. I mean tell us I work.
Me not
See
like
there.
the phone
Me come in
thing.
here, me come separate the money. See there.
So
This
you
have to
do
buy. No. That have to buy food for we eat. Like buy something so me can look about here. Me I come home, come cook. And me I wash your clothes them. And me I do everything and go around and still go work. And every day me come back and me and me can't at peace. Be a man this, man do that, man do this, man if I ain't man me couldn't get that.
Please, look in that glass. Look for yourself, please. What if you need at my position? You think you want to pray or me pray? Sometimes I feel like I just want to ring off and neck in my throat. I truly love you, baby. I tell you, you know. I truly love you, baby. I tell you that, man. Sometimes you actually even know. You said never see no man come talk to you.
Man have to talk to me at my job. They come at the counter.
Please, I'm going to change the job they do, you know. All this. All
So
this.
when you come watch me about work?
All this one we use is by pay weed, you know. All this, man. I'm going to change the front
Give me man money, yeah.
Yo, watch your mouth. Me tell you, stop running joke there, you know. Stop running joke there with me. Stop running joke there with me. Me no like me, my man name call in my place. Don't do that. Because I respect you.
You don't respect nothing because me I go
Respect
down
you.
there, blood, sweat and tears out if you even make a meal come
I
and
respect you.
tell you.
Come and
Move
love
on,
you.
go on my phone, move, excuse me.
Come on, you see, I can mash up a phone or two, you know. I can mash up a phone here. Remember me tell you, because you see that phone here.
Alright, do me a favor, can you get me a glass of water please? Me thirsty. Me just come from work, me tired, me thirsty.
Say, ask you something.
I said please. At least that, please. Or take a walk.
Please, and I
Just leave
disrespect more.
it. Man!
Yeah, watch out. Calm down, man.
What?
Let's get the water for you, man. Just relax, man. Just relax,
Look
man.
at argument there, we can't take it. Go
Relax, man.
on.
Everything good.
I take my mind.
I want water. I'll get water, man. Done it. Yo, babes. Yeah, but I come today, you know. Mom's reach. Yeah, man. So relax, now, man. Me always tell us that mom's there, man. So come, we can't talk to her right now. Alright. Love it, man.
Baby soon come, man. Well, I know. Soon forward, baby, if we wait till this man I can't cuss. I said, no, I think prayer. Baby, you know, so we not give up. We not do nothing with him because we myself, we go one day. We know. Baby, from when we do have no sex or no. You not suspect nothing, babes. Yes, Keisha. I said tell you this year when we go there to, you know.
How we ever forward?
Keisha.
Keisha would do. What do you mean by Keisha?
You don't know Keisha? Sure. Keisha, you know later because babes come here. Keisha said say hi to you. Alright.
Alright, go and talk to Keisha. May I come there?
Alright, Keisha. Later, girl, come and know him come and go on so. Later, me come and 5 phone and so if I go on so.
So hold on, let me ask you a question. Why you have to come off my phone? Why every time you come here, Keisha and then come off of the phone? Why me can't hear Keisha voice? Why you not put the phone on speaker and let me know it's Keisha you are talk to?
Babes, say you speak to Keisha or me.
That was it. Me want to join him. Me want to talk to Keisha too. So,
But me tell her, she say hi. You will how you come and talk about who they on the phone. You make me feel, yeah, make me not remember what me don't talk about.
we can't trust you. That is the thing.
You mean you can't trust me, babes? And me fear say that, you know, and me fear say me can't trust you.
Why are you always say that when me and the man are always there? You always busy God.
Exactly.
I-
Me don't know if a girl come in here.
Tell me who me go can come in here. Who me go can come in here.
I-
Just every minute you left you say you go to work. Me not ask which for you work. Look how you dress up and you are going to work. You are going to work. Work where? Work where? Why me can't come in your workplace come
Bar
pick
work
you?
me do babes. What man a come and where you come bar come do? He come make them run me out. Say my man a come a bar come watch me.
No, me not really come watch you. But more often you say yes. My woman at work. That's all. Suppose anything happen to you. Me don't know who we find. Me don't know your boss. Me don't know nothing.
Don't worry about that.
Suppose you're dead now. Me can't get a look of pay where you work 2 hours a week.
Another thing now happen to me, babe. Just calm down. Right? You may call Keisha fly off 5 phone. When Keisha go chat about how my man a chat to me in a room, I go tell Katrine, the whole of them.
All
They
right,
go chat about how my man a rough me for yard. I say, when people chat me a road.
No, you trust that man.
But you see me there on the phone babes with my friend them, and you who that? Them little person
Listen, me a man, and me come in here and see my woman on phone and laugh and giggle. Me I don't want to know who. Because in terms like this, and that's why someone will get bored because we sit down now and ask the woman question.
babes, they know something like you know about. Who me figure about with? Who?
Me don't know, can be Harry, can be Tommy, can be Jackie, can be Sammy, can be uncle, it can be father, it can be brother, it can be cousin.
I from work to home, me there work to home. Me not know time to find no other man.
Alright, when last I get paid?
Last week, partner.
You work a bag, you must get tip. No man not tip you.
No, babes, come see us some. Or somebody that
No, man, you can't work on serious. No matter where you work, with a bar or a supermarket or a hotel, you have to smile, you put on a little smile.
But babe, me no want to see me smile with no man.
Listen to me, you see one time you work here do, me no business with it. You see one time of this here do, me no business with it. You see one thing and touch yourself, me no business with it. And first of all, me not too like the bar work still. Because bar work so look a dirty pervert man always come and tell about top shelf. And when they go up on the top shelf, they say, no, that look at it, so they want to look up under you. No, that look at it, so they want to look up under you. Every time you touch one, look at it and say, no, man, and then, yeah, me not like it.
Babe, don't like that not my bar.
Hey, me used to go a bar, you know. Before me know you, me used to go a bar. Was it so nice, look a young girl in a skirt, and we say, top shelf. And when they go up there, and they say, which liquor store? That one, and we say, no, man, that one there. And when them pine, I say, no, that one there.
Like how you share two colors them. So I say you go a bar, go look up on the girl.
No, that's before we know you. And sometimes, then them did it and go and then bend over. We send them to sit in the shelf. We say, that one there. And then say, oh, yeah, because you have to spot out it. You have to know what going on there, because you know, say some woman, make it.
Well, me no wear no skirt, wow. It's me wear a bare shorts and pants wear wow.
Me like that.
So you see me, I like me, I go look man. I'm a loyal lady.
I never say, I go look man and I sound like you put words in my mouth, no. But anyway, I go on the road, so make sure when I come back, I cook.
Babe, me a go work today. When me cook, me soon left for that. Me must say 11 o'clock bar up in.
Alright, go on work. Yeah, I soon 11 o'clock. Go on work.
Make it me back.
Go on work. I work here, but go on work. Me I go for the road, but go on work.
Where I go Paro go do it? You know, I work, you know, so if you there yard, I'll cook something. So when me come back in the night, we can use it to eat.
You put on boy ya? You put a boy ya? What you think man take a woman to do? You think man take a woman to cook with them? And wash clothes and clean in here? Let me tell you something. You see when we take up woman to one thing. Cook, wash and clean and maybe give you a little.
Babes, go around this. Go on. Come find for something. Go on this. So get my bag for me. And me alone are working here, you know, so you must look up to me right now, you know. Me then no play thing, you know. I will buy last pound of meat in this house.
So, you buy one little pound of meat. Maybe look up to you. You think 1 pound of meat can buy me out? Eh? You think 1 cup of rum can buy me out? Eh? You think, say?
Go for my bag for me, so I can go around.
I think we need to carry back on road.
You don't want me call it.
Mm.
Remember, say me a turn independent now, you know, babes. You
You
must
know-
start treat me like a woman now and start take off my shoes when I come in at night time. I rub my foot on there something. Where one?
Not even the Queen of England can come to Jamaica and tell me, say, to take off his shoes and shot him 2 bucks. Say, woman, you think you're bright, buy out too. Nobody can buy me out. I walk. Come go on business.
Oh, yeah, we are.
Listen, me, man, you think I'm going to have a drink. I don't want you to ask me a question. Well, anyway, you find out nothing. Lord of God.
Hey, take time talk. Nobody shame me on the road. Is that yes or no?
I don't got it. Beg. When you beg so much, man, you breathe, you know.
My man now read me though, because I'm not open up my foot.
You know, if you open up your foot, you can't carry by yard and drugs because you love beg. Once you
I'm
love.
not going yard.
You know? Alright. But anyway,
You cook?
yo, let me tell you something. Don't ask me to cook, you know. Me and you don't live. So you can't come and me and come ask me for nothing. We put
Boy,
up
you
on,
love shame. How you love shame, Mr. My youth?
we put up on a mission. How the mission go?
Oh, talking about that. Why? Me don't want to tell you, you know.
Tell me more.
But see, that I got to tell you, know.
Listen me. Me know that somebody a go there, but me don't want to believe that somebody a go there. Me just want to see for me eye because you see when time me and him at night time, lay down, you come like say, when me used to find the little grip, me can't find the grip anymore. Me just swim round and I swim round and me can't find it. Me just
Hey, that's not my business. That's not my business. My business is me go find the evidence and prove it to you. But nobody get no rope, you know, cause I go who are me. Me don't want to dead with my money. After you pay me, you can't tie the longest rope and jump off a year.
me ask you a question. So if you say, me have something like some man. Me
Oh,
don't know
what
that
pressure hold your money goes all walk on mad because I got to say it at a garbage day, you know. But want to pay me before that is still a year.
you know see your style.
No, me not tell you that you know you still.
Yo, if you tell me would I really kill myself if I
Of
find.
course, I have to stop you.
Me just want to know who I do it. Who she I do it with. You know
What
what?
kind of road? You better she in there.
No, me I look man and she can't know. Anyway,
Walk, which part of my walk?
tell me what
Most
bar.
of the time, almost the time, man, yeah, my walk.
I don't know which bar I'm
You
on.
might think a bar walk, but a different bar walk.
So you know what me have to know before you pass your place.
How me pass in place? You tell the truth.
Me pay if you do something right.
I'm here tell the truth, and you go find excuse like me. I tell lie. Me have time to tell lie for your woman.
Me say give me video proof, man. Give me video proof.
Alright, don't worry yourself. You got proof.
But anyway, still. Nobody would tell me about me how to kill use no rope because I not kill myself because I want woman. She my prettiest, like a money. But if money never sell me, buy me out, a woman no buy me out.
Why? Me don't know, you know.
Huh?
I don't know.
That's why your man left you, you know.
I mean, left him.
But you left him. And the man left you, you want to know. Me love mix up more than anything else.
Because you're a woman yourself.
The man left you because you're too aggressive, you're too lie, you're too scumpy, you're bunny man for no reason. You tell the man boy you and your next man left. Eh? All the man all left you.
Yes,
I-
you don't know what you don't jump in at people because you don't know nothing. You don't know about my life. You don't know about my life. No. You only can hear what people chat say. Me and the man can come and say ask me and the man how we live.
Me and the man sit down up a bar and the man tell me. The man
You don't lie.
Me lie! The man say Papa.
You don't lie.
The man
You
say,
don't know how to
the man say
go.
Papa.
When man see their man friend, they walk and tell lie if he gets strife.
No.
They have to walk and tell
The
lie
man
if
say,
somebody
"Papa."
gets strife.
You know I say nah yeah. Tell me say man left and me give him a chance, you know. And take him in. And when me check it out, nah yeah. And the man still there, no Papa. I say a lie. And they put her out same time when they find out, cause the man tell me, yeah, over the phone. So me say, oh, and that's a one. And she tell me, say, she don't pay. Man say, no, nothing like a that, Papa. Look at me good, me is a good youth. Why would I want to tell a lie like a that? As much me I drink, when me not tell a lie. The man that talk the truth and no rum talk that. Cause he never start drink no rum. And me alone did they drink rum when he come there. So me don't know what you tell me, say. So,
Well, that the part they analyze still.
Okay,
Maybe if you need
good.
every time and attention for me, that would happen.
then that me a try show we don't know man. When
How you can't find time for other woman to come to me? Our enough piece somebody else can bring me out.
no, me
Our
teach you something.
enough piece nobody else want me.
No, me gonna teach you
How you
something.
feel like me
Every
feel
time me
like
tell
you
you
want to
everything.
clean?
No, shut your
Out of
mouth. Shut
order.
up
Don't
when me
tell me
talk.
to shut up. Don't pass the place with me.
Let me teach you something. You see, we don't know young girl, I'll teach you something in life. You can't do what a man do.
I don't give a frig.
If a man have 20 woman, you can't have 20 man.
Me not gonna have 20 man, I gonna have one for the side where you treat me better than how you man treat me.
Alright? Hey, you better. You
Don't pretend on my face.
You
Don't
say.
pretend on my
You
face.
better.
Don't pretend on my face. Me don't like it.
No, you me as you know. Me understand say you want a man on the side. But if you there with me and you have a man on the side, me don't have a problem, you know, as long as you mind me. As if a man out the road I do the good job then. Call say I him I do the job. Make him spend the money for you and you carry money come
So
give
if
me.
you say money when him give me I go give you. You're mad.
Well, you
You
can't live
mad.
with me then.
You mad.
You couldn't live with me then.
You mad.
If you give me money, you have to make sure you come with money.
Oh, that means you can't take come here get then too.
Yo, man. Hey, girl, you better watch. I mean, this is what I can do.
You feel a brown in this? You feel a brown in this?
Let me tell you
You feel a
something.
brown in this?
Any woman that give me bond, it have to come with money. If you can't.
Oh, alright, you see any man me that with we can't manage what me I do, them have anything what me I do, them have to do it too and can't take what me I get too. Simple.
You know what the argument done right, I say, you know. You see you? You see you? Hey!
Wow.
Let me tell you this.
I don't she can't control me, that you me not lose like the other woman them.
Let me tell you
Because
this.
you want me, you know, me go finish your job and you pay me.
You see? Just do the job, but don't mention nothing more to me because you see anything what you want to take, me no want it. Because you see what you want to take.
Because when I take this
I might both take that. Hey, hey. Hey. You don't remember that go to the road there, where you are, man. You're bright and face stick.
Oh, yeah. You meant that to happen.
So, man, so me there go and deal with business.
Are you ready?
They left something here for me to cook.
What do you mean?
Me jungle Jesus.
Before you jump to no conclusion.
Hold on.
Listen now before you jump to no conclusion.
What that?
Ask bite me. I swear upon my life, ask bite me. I saw
What that your neck?
one big red ants bite me upon my neck. I swear, see them, you can't take care, see they swell up. I don't know hickey or nothing.
Na icky that me a look pan.
No!
Yo. Na icky that me a look pan.
Oh, what you do?
Babes, na icky that me a look pan.
Man,
Yo, me say na icky that me a.
don't try that!
Man.
Not even me pop couldn't try that with me. What you try? What you try? Me ask you, what you a try?
So you just
Where you try? Where you try? Try again. Me dare you. Me dare you to try. Me say
Yes.
that's button. Yeah, come on, let's say.
Well, yes.
Hey,
Yes.
don't try that with me. Never in your life try to put on
But
for
you
me.
don't want to hurt you, know. And you know, say you don't want to hurt you, know. Why you can't do
Hey,
it?
move friends. I'm tell you something bite me. You come back. Move friends, man.
Yo. I you don't want damn Jane, man.
That is you.
That me tell you, no,
That
babes.
is you.
Babes. Yo, I you don't want to hurt you,
Hey, man.
babes. Babes, if easy, you know.
Me say something bite me. I'm something bite the family. I want.
But everywhere,
I want-
your neck.
Actually, boy, me proud
Your
of you.
neck, what everywhere,
Actually,
buddy.
I know that.
Your neck, babes.
I know that alone you fi do.
Babes, your neck,
I know that. Tap me. And that you fi do.
Yo, what you need to know, man? I just want to rate you and love you,
Me
babes.
say that you about you that know. Come now, hide it.
How much I know? Me did that
Me
watch you.
that tell you. Say
Listen,
about
me
me,
dey
about
watch
you.
you.
Your mama and I'm tired of
You
it.
could have tell me. Say you the bun me.
So me afraid.
Your man. Me, you could have tell say you the bun me.
So me afraid.
You must see me bun up here now, so you must
Yeah, if I am the father. If I am my father, and you did piss me out.
Yes.
Who you do?
I hurt, me don't want to hurt
Hey man,
you.
dominance.
Be a hurt, me don't want to hurt you, babes.
Right, and don't try that again.
Me I
tell
tell
you
you.
that. Don't try that again. Don't even think to raise your hand for me. A tree boy me grow with and me know how to be boy. Me not afraid of it to know.
Every day you come, we're feeling a rupture.
Right.
Every day something new
I
to
am
your body.
mama.
What kind of style?
Every day I am mama. See gone. They see that something bite me. And something bite me. You see icky there. You see man lick there. And something bite me.
Yo, me don't know what make you devil out
See,
of me.
I do things I rather things that me I do something.
Do you think say me do something by you, babes?
What if that you?
Babes, you come love you.
That can buy a shop.
You're mad. If me love can't buy a shop. You think I chicken back?
I know you know. Yeah.
You think I bully beef? There's no bother with that.
Me you dey
What about that?
tell me say me there with me boss. You dey tell me say me there with
Sorry
every
about
man
that,
will come my
It's that
place.
icky there, man.
You tell me this, you tell me that before you just simply talk to me, you come up in a ruckus like you want to put the fleet up on me again. I dare you. Next time the flatline you. Don't touch me, man. Don't touch me. No, I touch me. No, I ain't nothing.
Anyone will love
I
you.
don't want anything with me.
Hmm?
My mother teach me say people like you, we fight and war with me. We turn one and poison me. And then the type of somebody there because
Fight and
nobody
war,
we gonna hurt me, willingly to hurt me. Then we
Yes, real man stand up for what they want. We can love you and make some little that go back boy can't take you away.
Then where you worry
Spend
about
so
if
much
them
money
are
for you or
idiot?
something.
I say you
Me
insecure.
like when you work. Me like when you work.
Oh, so if you long and dead hungry, that what you do.
Yes.
You
That's
could
what
have
I'm for in business.
your little business where you do not help with.
Yet,
You not help with.
when he help, I don't want normal help.
You not
And
help.
like on 2 week pay.
You not help with. No,
When the thing happen, it come like I want to you win laptop. That one I cannot know that, babes.
that lot of the years me.
Like when the man a chat.
Then you 5 years, Anthony. 5. And you really believe say, for that 5 years, me not know for my respect for you. Me I go just say, fling me body all
I
about.
never say that.
One little tape I see tape garden. One little tape I see on my neck.
Where you say by the neck?
Yeah, I want big old red hands.
I'm gonna see nothing on your neck, so why tape did it?
Then it burn me.
You didn't burn him?
It did a burn me. That's why I put the tape on it. Sealer and the pepper them a dash way. It's
Yes.
something that burn me.
Babes, I love you, you know.
No love me.
Babes, I know I love you.
No love me. No love me. No love me.
Just stop me.
No love me, cause you try to put your hand on me. No love me. And
No,
I
me not
tell
put
daddy,
my hand on
me I
you.
tell me
You put
father.
me hand pie, me put it pie here.
Me I tell me pa.
Me nah put me hand pie.
Me I tell me pa. You're bright.
A boy put me hand pie and try and grow on my queen.
You're
You
bright.
know that?
You're bright. But you're grab on me neck though.
No, go to grab and pie.
Don't touch me, man. Don't touch me. Go and buy your business. Love me. Don't touch me. Go and take your girl. Girl and take your little fleets. Them a road. Go on.
Calm down, man.
Left me alone.
Calm down.
You hear me say touch me again? I dare you.
You
Me I
dare
dare you.
me?
Yes,
You
me I
dare
dare
me?
you. Touch me again if you're bad.
You
Touch
dare me in my place?
Touch me. You could have in your place some more. Touch me again.
Hold on. You dare me in my place?
You keep on the feet up. Go on.
Yes.
I don't know how to do
You
that.
dare me in my place?
Me dare you.
I kiss, man. It's a kiss I want to give, man. And that.
I don't know why little crab blouse, man. We a kiss one back a girl with move.
What?
Crab blouse. Crab blouse.
Okay, man.
Go on,
Just
boy.
tell me serious.
Just let me alone now.
You
No,
can't
I'm
do
there to
that.
tell me
You
hot.
can't do that.
Love me. Love me. Love me. Chum, love me. Love me. Love me, man. Love me.
Thing good.
Go on, my business. Go and tell fly tail him. Go on.
Thing good, man.
Your bar fly them. Go on. A fish one. Right.
Yeah. Oh God. You know? Yeah man, cause a friend every day and I'm fill up that drink so room. Which bar I'm come? I said bar over there so. Yeah man, you know anything you tell him, he don't believe her. Me I make up and tell him snap out. I wait from me I drink well now. Alright. There, I'm so far. Babes. On to you.
Tell you now, what was saying on the phone a while ago?
If babes, what happened before the phone hang up? You have a phone monitor?
I'm not a phone monitor, but when women are cheating, they hang up their phone
What
very
happened?
quick.
When one is cheating, so me I cheat.
I don't know if you
Yes,
cheat in
yes.
or you cheat out or you cheat
Me see you come
off.
back up on the road.
We are up on the road.
Me I check your bar, I check off your bar, babes.
Yo, listen, man. Me don't like the bar thing, you know. Me don't like it. I don't like it. I just
How
don't.
me I make money, babes? Other day you come to me and you say that about money. I be said what you want 3 grand.
Yeah! 3 grand! That's a little muckle. By the time it goes, I'm you done.
Baby, but say that work, you know. Everything you make me tell you nah work. Say if you make me go out there go work and say me can get a little money, cause you nah work.
Listen to me. Don't watch me. Me soon get job. I soon get job. Me a man. Man hard to get work than woman. Eh? Every time me check a place, bam. Me go to this place, go look work. When me realize the man is a batty man, me have to left. Because me not believe in that. I don't support that. So me
Yeah.
left.
If you stop me forward, you know say me I go sit down here. What you want me to do? Sit down here eye to you just a tear down face? You would be a white scarf out mouth at daytime. I must tell you what.
Alright.
Soon come back, man.
Do you think?
I soon come. Go and cook
Yeah.
till we come as usual.
Cook. Your wife get food. Go on. Me go lay down. Go cook. Cook, man. Cook.
Yes. Still you know? Me I mean, look how other night you come to me behind the door and just hook up your door so I can come in. I say skin.
That's a normal thing, man. Me know if you style pan her, okay, you know. Whole heap of style. I'm pure she have me and I know. And that name make you know. Says in there go and let me study her and listen when she reach. You see me? And she run the operation fast. You go again and say this.
No, babes. What to me go tell you because you didn't catch me.
Catch! Him did catch you in the house there. Sealer! A problem! And that may make you know. Problem is in thick.
I don't not feel good. I just feel like we have to catch up flow.
Flow. You sure say flow?
Mm-hmm.
Kind of more boss, not you?
No.
Make sure I flow, you know, and I can tell me now next things different.
I feel babes because I'm in short sore.
The throat sore too? Oh, body. Next time I have to take time with you. So I can't bother when I have a little problem.
Just you have to hold on for my throat, babes. You grab my throat too hard.
D, now you tell me say hold on for your throat. I know you tell me say, me hold on for your throat too hard. And you tell me how we nice and I call me Jesus and the messing there. No. Much the man style that I come with. This is a pain hurt.
I don't feel like me high already.
But you don't want to get low. Better high.
I'm nice one of them that cheers. No, somebody I know this.
You know, it's me some money I'm want to get to, but money not kind of sort out yet the real way. You have to stop up on the line, man. You see, like, criteria, I deal with from what day?
Oh. You come to it.
No. That take little time. If you come through already, you know. But is it true little holding up business and then post office business there? Can't bother with the system
Why
sometimes.
100 back? Why pray?
But, yeah.
A PR.
You could have really think say, when I sit down here so with something on for me.
Lie.
Come like a style.
New property.
What do you must say a medium bread back, you know. Bread front that.
No one. Where them?
You know my name, but I can't come brown.
Or bread front.
You live nowhere around here, so? So I first see you.
You know outer road front we live.
Well, enjoy yourself. Do you think?
Yeah.
Shop me cup still.
Yeah, because you always watch my thing, you know. That video.
Oh, serious.
See what I'm saying? I want to make a link here. If I want to watch out my life and sit, you know.
My ex-girlfriend.
Could I ex you talk about? I could I really make ex come as I talk to you? When me have ex, I take them out of the ABC and put them one side. You understand? I don't deal with ex. I don't run them a joke there. Unless me take a ecstasy. Same thing what you like.
Oh boy. You say, if you ever know how far more from just to call you. You come like you're there for. Because I see him and bread back. Bread back will live with the fatty. And him and him there, me ask bread back and that I say, who want this? He say, yeah man, and this and that and a boss with her. Me see her done a Bridget shop. Listen, me not have time to tell like for nobody, you know. Is it that you go come down here so or not bother? What? Alright, hurry up your thing. That if you catch them still. Oh, aye. I'm still one.
Go on. Yeah, don't know, yeah, we don't have a drink.
You say,
We don't have a drink.
have a drink?
Yeah.
Don't have.
Yeah.
That's me talk about and I want you know.
What go on now? So I demand this.
Which man? I'm a boss. This babe to get up. This a call if you come have a drink. Room with there drink from. Come drink from babes. Come here.
Drink rum man, I want to daddy.
All I see they can go.
Are you boss?
Drink rum daddy man, I want to daddy man.
Are you boss? No problem. So how we are celebrate?
Good workship.
Yes.
Good workship.
Babes still will make almost $50,000 a day for each night.
Couldn't believe general.
Could one man alone spend 20 grand?
Today alone that
Today
happened.
alone.
Yeah, good workship.
Today alone that happened.
Good
Yeah,
workship.
no worries.
What do you mean, man? Good workship. Because we don't know how we know say a man job down here, you know.
Man, daddy is a good woman this you have. I best thing never find to work with.
Best
I hear you out. Me I tell you. Me I tell you out.
Good woman for sure. Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I will just come down here so
Our man tell me say my woman don't sit down in a man lap. So me you know left out fast.
I see him on a personal look over here saying they see a rubber boy they know what studio with business you know. Me tell you about them you know.
you see how Jamaican people with the overall. Eh?
Wicked.
Imagine, look how we sit down. More than 5 inch apart with them. Oh, him over this and me over here, so I just.
Cheers.
Watch out.
Yes,
people.
yes.
Yeah man. Drink. How much you say make?
$50,000 we make today.
Today alone daddy.
Today alone.
Alright. This upgrade. Like upgrade the thing you know.
AC like bar, babe.
Uh-huh.
Next week. AC I got in like bar next week.
AC.
What do you?
Cheers to that.
Be a plasma TV.
So when
SETI and then something.
we can come my bar and drink. Like I tip money, me drink, you tip money.
No, but you know, business don't work the way the daddy. Me have to sit down and have a reasoning before you can come down.
No, me not reason with money no, but
They know you come down from my
If you
office.
be able to can't come down here, so.
huh? Then some could come my bar and even buy.
No, we have security policy and all of them something we have to go
Just
through
phone,
first.
babes.
You see me?
Come here.
Just code, when buy just code. No matter with that. No matter with that. Come. Come. You don't want to be here, right?
You know how we are.
Come on.
Because,
Come on.
alright.
Alright,
Be
boss.
righty.
Tomorrow.
Be righty.
Alright, no.
Be righty.
Tomorrow.
Alright, boss. So what time you can
We tell her that man. Like the core worker, we tell her that man. Now what do you man? Man's with the core worker, we tell
give
her
me a
that.
money out of pay, man. You want to-
We have some little thing to deal with today. We have some more things to get on the line. Everything will come through here. The whole 50 million that will come through here today, you see me? Some more on the line for clear. So it's when I clear, everything can share in
You
here.
can't take this, bro.
No, boss.
You
No,
make it,
but-
you make it.
Alright.
Come on. Come on.
Everything good.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Thank you for your yeah?
What do you man? If you say higher, you know. Nothing in this name fire, you know.
Alright, no frustrated.
That is it.
So you're not ready to come with me?
Come with the phone.
You know, I'm just follow what I'm going to work every morning, every day, every hours.
So,
Like you say, me a go man. So, let me know.
So, you know, I'm still company road and look like lunatic when you cuss me. You know you have to do them.
That is lunatic. Every day you try to run bush behind me. Yes, you come with your girl work me and this that. No man love to talk to you, but this morning no.
It's
What?
change. You know, look like a fool forever.
Eh. Anyways, I don't say nothing. Kind of happy say. I don't really want to follow back at me, but it's strange to me. For you just this morning all of a sudden you get up and say, you know, bother come with me or
You say me a
nothing.
big head boy to that. If you get up and take cussing every morning, like me a clown.
You know, take no cussing. You just tell us if you stop the mama, and that's all we tell us if you stop
What
though.
do you stop? I stop everything.
You up to something, man. I say go.
Oh,
That's alright.
so you,
Alright,
you,
alright.
you're not down to sitting.
Yeah, alright. Just make sure say, see if I can cook dinner or something, or just look for something so we can come back and get it.
For who?
Not for me.
Yeah, man.
So me I go go work all day and then come back in hungry.
Yes. Food I go do it.
Alright, later.
You look so frightened.
I'm pulling this out for you those here, but so you know you're another thing. I'm taking yourself. Yeah, man. Something.
You just your woman pass a good on your now.
You see me now, man.
No.
So, is that good, man?
Yes, I had to hear a cheap with her.
Relax, man. You see my black. You see your child. You want to relax?
Thank you. That's okay.
You want to come on, I got better. Much that.
I like to hear her name or something.
I know it's you.
Babes, if you talk about me, you know,
Man, all this work. You say, see. All this work in the top of me.
talk about grabber, then you say your thing I get dead.
Right. Food thing I get dead.
Babes,
Hmm?
you depend me and be a laugh, you laugh. Where you laugh from?
Laugh comes with too much water run at your hole and I wonder if a rain a fall. One feel laugh about. Calm down this one.
You
You go
don't know
like
squirt and then something there.
squirt. Squirt no make it hurt. Just relax, be man. Sit down.
That's something I feel like.
So you come so early. What do you like?
Something you look so frightened. I
Who
mean,
look
yeah.
frightened? Who look frightened?
I mean, yeah. That's something I look
Who look
for.
frightened? Who frightened look?
You look frightened.
Who frightened look?
Like a shock to see me.
How shot look? Me a current.
Alright, yeah, man. That's something I come for.
Alright.
Yeah, go on the most.
So you can walk so fast.
I mean, yeah, I come.
Man, I drop, man.
You know, say you act strange.
Me?
Yeah, you act very, very strange.
Oh.
First this morning, and then you want to follow me, cause every morning your mama out, you know, so I understand how this morning you want to come with me, go to work, no at all. Alright, me leave you alone.
Me ask
Now
strange.
me come back here, like, I go see.
Me exchange.
Of course.
So you go road and come back and exchange, you see? And that you trying to say?
Something alright, yes, so.
Cool and nerves, man. I need the ice water. I'm gonna drink the water.
Me alright. Me
Yes,
not
you.
tell I work, me
You
I
see
go.
you, I'm blood pressure and rise up on me, you know. Every minute you come to me with argument, you know. Cool yourself, you know. Cool yourself. Stop come to me with argument.
No man, you coming like a psycho. Something alright,
Who
yes, so.
psycho?
You're psycho, something alright.
So
Me I go, me not have the
You
time.
better go on.
Me not have the time.
And
Me
you
have to
psycho.
work fifth. Remember, and me have to work with video. So
You
relax.
you're mad. I tell me now you're pitney. Me a psycho. Better go on for me turn in a Geico. That may make you know. And don't come back here neither. Yes. So you say, how many in there?
In Company Road.
Yes.
In Company Road.
You gonna come back for now.
Come back way. Babes, I first never seen you just up so neat and gone. Me don't know like a some mate in her. I first never seen you look so good.
Yes, you notice how many wearing on shirt?
First put on
on
nice shirt
shirt
and
business,
pants
innit?
and gone. So, you know, so we have the whole day for ourselves. And I have to rush like all day. And
You know what that me like? You can put it on you. Get up.
I say, I rush babe, not to say, I have to rush, you can go on.
You know saying gone. You know me like the things long, you know.
Alright. Can do one 3 hours.
Hello? What? No, hold on. What you trying to tell me, sir? My good old sweet browning in a house with man? Which part the man live? My yard? My yard? You must be mad. I can't my yard. No say nothing. No say nothing. No say nothing. Me dey for me way right now. You know say nothing. Bring everybody. Bring everybody. Me say bring Andrew whole nest. Not left him. Kind of dead with it too. Bring him come too. Not left him bring him whole. Yeah. Bring him come. Yeah. Cause him causing problem. Me come on and get we born. Bring him come. Alright, now come here. Mad. Oh, my yard. You was mad. My yard. My yard. Oh. We out there. Bossy. Come now, man.
Go on, father.
Are you there?
Yeah, man. Remember say we have business to deal with and sitting here. See it.
Business. So, hold on there. You use the bed, man. So, we need some money. Bunny is a must. You hear, man? Bunny is a must. You know what's a bunny? Bunny is a must. Come. Just give me some money, man.
Yeah,
Me is a man, me not free violence. Me free money. Eh? Yeah, man. Bunny is a must, man. Come on.
I'm a man free, man. You
Yeah.
see you use this here, express business, and just go down a machine. I mean, tell you code, that's it, they take off some money off. Like, you know my business, I chop the line and stuff. Like,
No, this no work. Come on. Hey, it's scam and they use them as palm people hard.
give me back this.
No, give me the money.
Give me back this and I'm going to I never get too much money for me to them, man, but I'll give you something, man. I have something on me. Give me back that now.
Give me some money. Give me some money, man.
I'm a father, man.
Bun is a mouse, man. Bun is a mouse. We can't beside you there for me, woman.
Hold this.
No, man. $3,000, daddy. You lucky you have your life. Come on, man. Well, quick.
Give me my card. Send me card, daddy.
You want me to feed on? Take time, go answer. Hey, Jezebel, come here. Come, man. You know how far every day I get that. Come here, man. Come here. Never not put on the clothespin like you wash. You need to wash something else. You need to wash.
Babes, we not do nothing.
Hey! And the man come on, sweat, sir! Me never sweating on my life, so.
Me not think you not come back.
Okay! So you feel like somebody I eat that? Me suspect this man, you know? Me suspect it, that's why I make sure me beard, and me put on my pretty garments, and I make somebody watch it area.
Babes, I'm paying, come give me because I'm not work there again, no?
You pay all like up in there, a work.
Babes, and him hold me down.
Hold it down! So much money you get?
You know, you come too fast. Some can come back, you shouldn't come back.
I don't me come too fast, I him come too fast, make him come out. Cause the little time me get a phone call or something, he come out. Huh? Yeah, man. To the guy always say to the left, but to the right. To the right.
Yeah, bring me out.
Yeah, to the right.
This man him not nothing based on my man.
I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn. One.
Come here.
Look at your sweat. Go right. Me say, we done here so.
You can't get me close them.
Which clothes? You buy none put there? I tell them turn mama man. You buy none put there? You buy none put there?
Babes, they really give me back up. Give me where? Yeah.
What? I remember me tell you that. You see where you do me? Worse than that, what happened to you? Karma is a bitch. Go on. Give me close, man. Come.
Babes,
Come. You'll never buy it. What else? What else you have? They will never buy.
nothing else.
Right.
Look here. You're in a couple. You know what time when I come?
Come on yourself, man. You know what?
You came in the one girl come beat me, you know?
Okay,
It's your mama I can't take this. And one big auntie.
you know, because I don't want to coward in my life. Now, come on
Me
yourself.
not come babes, but imagine if you get one of them hand there and now broke me up.
Relax, man. What's your card?
Call her and see what she done.
Hello?
Babes.
Yeah?
How going, baby?
I'm there. I'm there for their work.
Eat already?
You meet?
You sure?
Yeah, me eat.
I want to hear come on.
Me not sure I'm there work you know.
It means you're not sure. What time you come on, babe? What time you come on?
Me not think me I come home you know. Run late up hours, me not sure.
Late up hours?
Yeah, very late. Me not come home you know.
Sure.
Yeah, what happened?
No, I'm busy. I can't call you ask you say what time you come home. I'm supposed to run for my mind. I think about you. Why you behave so strong?
You think about me?
What time you come home? You're not my woman. How if you think about?
Me not come home you know. Around night. Call 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock in the night. Remember say a bar me a walk.
Alright. What time again?
What happened you deaf?
Alright,
9 o'clock, 10 o'clock.
Alright, babes. Alright. Sit up. Careful at work today, here.
Yeah? Alright.
Love you, baby.
Love me.
Oh, what? Say now, come on to the 10 o'clock.
You can't go on to something then.
Look at something. It's a worry for something to when they wear the thing.
So go in the room. Go in the room.
So I play yourself.
Babe, see who better. You can't bother with setting these things. Come on.
It's not going to see the video. Boom, what it is.
Okay. Alright. So here they call me. Tell me how much. If me eat and you love me. Yeah. Wanna enjoy yourself, pa. Or yourself. Wanna enjoy yourself. I want peace up. I have a piece of tea coming for you. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
What the rat?
Then I
What
can
the
say
rat?
Then I
What am
can
I
say
doing,
again.
Miles? What am I doing, sir?
Then I can say
Then
again.
I can say.
I'm a brother woman, babe. Babe, I'm a brother woman.
You let me.
I'm a brother woman, babe. Babe, stand on the man. I'm a brother woman.
Brother, man.
Babes, I'm a brother woman. Relax, man.
Let me go. That is what I do.
I'm a
This
brother
is for
woman.
your keep, man. I said, me
with you.
That cannot lie with who?
That me don't like.
That cannot lie with who?
Babes, I'm a brother.
That cannot lie with who? Who you lie with? And I'm wrong.
I'm a brother.
On the bed. What's
What you?
what do you want next man?
She can't fix things.
Oh,
Just calm down now.
so something broken. So something broken.
And furniture work she
Your
do.
light is broken.
I made up on
You
the bed,
broken.
like bed, no bed,
Also,
seven
she
broke.
need to fix my bed.
Yes.
I want next time.
It's calm down now, man.
Father,
That me not like.
I feel like I can't function. I feel like I can't
Yes,
function.
relax the man.
That's why I keep on at him say.
Yes.
And me have
Listen.
if you ever touch me,
Yes.
touch me, man.
I'm a brother,
Yes,
woman,
kill.
I'm a boy.
Girl, kill.
Skin what?
Yeah, you must go to window.
Yes, relax
Yeah.
yourself, man. Calm down. Yes, calm down. Calm down. Yes, calm down yourself, man. Yes. It's a seed that will hurt that, serious. Relax, man. Watch out.
Let me go.
Yes.
I don't know.
You know what I'm saying? Serious, so I get
I'm
serious,
going
you
to
know.
kill him.
I serious, so I
I'm
get
going
serious,
to find
you know.
a girl.
I serious, so I
I'm
get
killing.
serious, you know. Not true.
Let me go.
Yeah, you see me talk to you.
You try to
Don't
find
get serious, you know. Not true. Yes, relax.
Can't leave you.
Yes, relax.
Relax. China there
Relax.
to come back. So I may tell you. China there.
I'm hurting.
China there to come back.
You know, I hurt you, you know. I chew me love you, you know.
To your love, boy. To your
You know,
love.
me say chew me love you. I don't know what you do with that.
China there to come back.
If you ain't gonna touch me with that.
Yeah, welcome to the end of the video. Thanks for like, thanks for watch, thanks for share. And remember what I said? The previous video that I joined together, bring it to 100K, and I do a giveaway. One person, 50,000 maybe. Yeah, 50. Not even over higher than that. But 100K, it have to reach 100,000 K views and the watch time must build up. Please share it. The more you share, the more I post. The more you share, the more I post. The more you comment, the more I post. The more you like, the more I post. Please, now big enough. Please, just let the views come up, please. Because that's the only thing helping right now. You can't hear my voice, I'm very tired right now. But remember, like, share, subscribe.